Welcome to the Unity BootCamp lesson on how to set up achievements. In this lesson, we'll be setting up achievements for the example game. In case you're not familiar, an achievement is a meta goal defined outside of the game's parameters. Achievements are part of the gamification umbrella of brainCloud requests. An achievement can be triggered manually or as the result of a player reward. In an upcoming lesson, we'll be awarding achievements manually in the example game. On the brainCloud portal, you can set up brainCloud achievements to sync with platform achievements such as Steam, Apple Game Center, or Google Play. Let's head over to the brainCloud portal and set up a few achievements. Click Design, then Gamification, followed by Achievements. On the right, click Create. Give the achievement an ID, then give the achievement a title and a description. There's an option to set a picture. We won't be doing that in this lesson though. There's also an option to specify additional data for the achievement. The achievement can also be set to hidden until it's earned. At the bottom of the pane, this is where we can enable achievements for different platforms. Click Save. Click the Create button to create another achievement. Enter the achievement ID, the title, and the description. Then click Save. Click the Create button to create one more achievement. Enter the achievement ID, the title, and the description. Then click Save. We've created 3 achievements for the example game. Your game will most certainly have more. Head over to the API Explorer so we can try out the Read Achievements request. Authenticate, then from the Service drop-down list, select Gamification. From the Operation drop-down list, select Read Achievements. In the Parameters section, notice that this request only takes in one parameter, whether to include metadata or not. Leave it as false for now. Click Execute to run the request. Notice that the response only included the achievement ID and its awarded status for each of the 3 achievements that we just created. In the Parameters section, change the parameter to True to include metadata. Click Execute to run the request. Notice in the response how much extra data is included, including the title, description, and whether or not the achievement should be hidden until it has been earned. Requesting achievements is the next lesson in the Unity Bootcamp.